Hello, welcome back. Today in this video we'll learn about the subject of network security. In network security we will learn a small topic that is internet key exchange. Let's see what is internet key exchange. Internet key exchange is a protocol that provides secure communication over the internet. It's a fundamental building block of virtual private networks and other network security solutions. Now let's see deep into the what is internet key exchange. The first is secure communication. How the secure communication is done in Internet Key Exchange. Internet Key Exchange is a protocol designed to establish and manage secure communication channels between two devices over an insecure network like the Internet. Through the Internet, if any two channels are communicating or any two devices are communicating, to secure the data, internet key exchange is done. Like it is given like encryption or authentication. By giving that, it is securing a communication channels between two devices when a communication is going on through the internet. And the second is key agreement. Internet key exchange ensures that only authorized devices can exchange data securely. This is achieved by using cryptographic techniques to generate a shared secret known as a key. In Internet key exchange, only authorized devices can exchange data. If any unauthorized devices wants to steal the data, it can't because the authentication will be there and the key will be provided by the Internet key exchange for the authorized devices when they are accessing the data. Using cryptographic techniques, this key is generated for the authorized devices. Now let's see the phases of Internet key exchange. Phase 1. This phase involves the authentication and establishment of secure channel between two parties. It's often called the main mode of IKA. In Internet key exchange, there will be two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 is also called as the main mode of Internet key exchange, where this phase 1 involves the authentication and establishment of secure channel between two parties. If any two parties are ready to communicate, this phase 1 will give the authentication and establishment of a secure channel between two parties, and it is also known as the main mode. In phase 2 is also known as a quick mode. Phase 2 focuses on establishing the actual data secure channel using the security parameters established in phase 1. This is sometimes called the quick mode. As we seen in phase 1, the authentication and establishment of secure channel. The security will be given to the channel and authentication is given. Whereas in phase 2, security is given for the actual data. Whereas in phase 1, the channel is getting an security. Whereas in phase 2, the data is getting security. Phase 1 is also called as the main mode of internet key exchange. Phase 2 is also called as quick mode of an internet key exchange. Now let's see deep into the phase 1, nothing but main mode. The first is identity exchange. The devices exchange their identities and capabilities, including the cryptography algorithms and ciphers they support. In phase 1, identity exchange happens. If the two parties want to communicate, the first phase 1 will check if the other party is capable of communication through the channel. If it is capable, then using cryptographic algorithm the security is given. Negotiation. The devices negotiate security parameters such as encryption algorithm, the key exchange mechanism, and the authentication method. In negotiation, using encryption algorithm, the channel is getting secured. Key generation. They generate a shared secret key which is used for authenticate subsequent data transmission. If only the authorized users will get the key generation like OTP or like a password. No unauthorized person can steal the data. If he wants to steal the data, the secret key given by the internet key exchange should be entered. That will be only present with the authorized user. Now let's come to the internet key exchange phase 1 aggressive mode. Faster connection, less secure. Aggressive mode is a faster approach to establish the secure connection. It reduces the number of message exchanges. Less secure. It's considered less secure than main mode because it offers fewer authentication options and may be susceptible to certain attacks. Now let's come to the phase 2, even that is also called as a quick mode. In phase 2, data security. This phase focuses on establishing the actual data secure channel using the security parameter established in phase 1. As I said before, in phase 1, the channel is getting the security. As in phase 2, the actual data secured in channel is getting the security. Key agreement. The devices negotiate and generate a new set of security parameters for the data channel. Key agreement is like nothing but it will produce the encryption and generate a new set of security parameters for the actual data inside the channel. Data encryption. Data is encrypted using the newly generated key and secured communication. In phase 2, data encrypted is done using newly generated key, which is only used by the authorized users. Now let's come to the Internet Key Exchange Security Association. Security association represents a secure connection between two devices defining the security parameters for communication. Internet Key Exchange Security Association. Internet Key Exchange Security Association is established during phase 1, defining the security parameters for the Internet Key Exchange itself. Data Security Association. Data Security Association is established during phase 2, defining a security parameters for the actual data exchange. Internet key encryption and authentication. Encryption authentication. Internet key exchange uses various encryption algorithms, scramble data, making it unreadable to unauthorized parties. Authentication is nothing but it uses digital certificates or pre-shared keys to verify the identities of communicating devices and prevent spoofing. Now let's see Internet Key Exchange protocols and algorithms. Diffie-Hellman, a key exchange protocol used to establish a shared secret key between the two parties. Advanced Encryption Standard, a widely used encryption algorithm for securing data transmitted over the network. Digital signature, used to authenticate the sender of a message and to ensure that the message hasn't been tampered with. Now let's come to the end of the video. Internet Key Exchange implementation and configuration. The one is operating system, two is network devices, three is VPN software. IKE is implemented in various operating systems like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. IKE is also supported by routers, firewalls and other network devices to establish secure connection. Many VPN clients and servers use Internet Key Exchange to establish secure VPN tunnels. Thank you.